Hello. Today's speech is titled, Ban Single-Use Plastics. Protect our ocean, protect our future. Imagine swimming in the ocean, but instead of fish, you're surrounded by plastic bags, plastic bottles, and plastic wrappers. Sadly, this is becoming a reality. Plastic pollution is one of the most urgent global environment crises we face today. According to United Nations Environment Program, over 11 million metric tons of plastic waste enter our oceans every year, harming wildlife, contaminating food supplies, and threatening human health. Today, I will show you how banning single-use plastics is a critical solution to this global problem, and why we all have a responsibility to support this change. First, let's be clear about the scope of the problem. According to National Geographic, over 8 million tons of plastic waste end up in our oceans annually, enough to cover every foot of the global coastline. This plastic doesn't just disappear. It turns into microplastics. It breaks down small enough where fish eat it, and it contaminates drinking water, gets into the seafood, and even human blood, according to the World Health Organization. Marine animals mistake plastics for food, leading to starvation, suffocation, and even death. And the Ocean Conservancy reports that over 1 million marine animals die each year from plastic pollution. This isn't just an environmental problem, it's a human problem. Plastic contaminates the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe. The good news is there is a solution, an effective solution: banning single-use plastics. Countries like Canada, Kenya, and the European Union have already taken bold steps. For example, The Guardian reported that Kenya's ban on plastics reduced plastic pollution by 80% in 1 year. Research from Plastic Oceans International shows that eliminating single-use plastics like straws, bags, and bottles clearly, significantly reduces plastic waste entering the environment. Experts agree that bans, combined with alternatives like reusable bags and compostable packaging, are key to solving the crisis. We cannot recycle our way out of this problem. Prevention is the only real answer, and banning single-use plastics is the first step. You might wonder, what can I do? Well, here's how you can be a part of the solution. Support legislation in your city, your state, and country. Write to your representatives, sign petitions, and vote with the environment in mind. Refuse single-use plastics. Carry usable bags, bottles, and utensils. Your small choices will make a big difference. Raise awareness. Talk to friends and family. Talk to them about why banning single-use plastics is a great idea and why it matters. Plastic pollution is suffocating our planet, but it doesn't have to be this way. Banning single-use plastics is not just possible, it's already happening around the world, and it works. But change requires actions from government, from businesses, and from people like you and me. And as the saying goes, we don't inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. So let's return it a little bit cleaner, a little bit healthier, and with less plastic. Thank you.